this is Kushan Samant again and welcome back to another video. Okay, this is my type of nachos, okay? But if you are from India and you know how to speak Marathi, you know that you would call this Shankar Pada. To be fair, like in English, you would call this nachos. So let's start by pouring maida, and this is half a cup, exact half cup. And this is wheat, 1 full cup. Okay, so now I'm going to add turmeric and red chili powder, but this totally depends on how much you want. I mean, of course, salt has to be there. Yeah. Okay, that is good. Yes. There you go. Now give it a good mix. Okay, so I have decided that there is very little spices, so I'm going to add a little more. And again, this is dependent on how you like it and how spicy do you want it to be. That looks good to me. Yeah, that looks good. So now we are going to add some curd. Okay, so now I added the curd and I kept the spoon away over here, as you can see. And now I'm going to start using my hands. Oh, that's messy. And mix it. And when you start feeling like, oh, the curd is very less, no, stop. Add water, not any more curd. That's enough. I don't think I'll add. So let's just dump my other. This is hard mixing. Oh, that does look good. That's some goodies right there. I think it's done. Just give it a little mix. Boom, that's done. Yeah. This is harder than I thought it was. Okay, so I'm done with the dough. I got some wheat. And now we are going to start off with, yeah. Oh wait. Okay, so I decided to use this thing and this. In Marathi, we call this part. Oh, this is coming out way better. Trust me, this is so difficult. I wonder how mom makes rotis every day. I mean, of course, it doesn't have maida in it for that rubbiness to make it way harder. Come together, be your circle, please. Why? Just please. Okay, so now I'm going to use a pizza cutter. Yes, I'm using a pizza cutter for doing nachos. This is coming out so good. Yay! This looks good. Okay, so now I'm sure that everyone knows that you don't just eat nachos like this. They have to be crisp. So for that, yeah, but I'm going to have to let that heat up, so I'll come back. Okay, so now I have ruptured holes in these. Great, you just want to fall off my hands, huh? Okay, fine. I did it with this fork, for example, like that. And make sure like they go deep and like you can see what's underneath them. Get deep fried, no coming up. No coming up, buddy. Look at that. That's what I like to see. Look at that. Okay, so I think this is done. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now I'll quickly just tap them on. Okay, so now I'm using cheese powder to cover it. Oh, that looks good. That's done, but no! I still have more to stick to these nachos. If any of you guys know me, you know that I like spice in every single thing. So I'm just going to add extra spice. Boom! So that's done. And now time to put it in a plate and design it well. So guys, as you can see, done with this. Finally, that's the end product. Taste test. Go ahead. Yum. You are the strong. God, this is tasty. Now I'm going to finish this one and end the video. I think this is a good time to wrap up the video. So bye guys.